Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today, I've been busy in the shop. Record a cinematic reel with my boy Trenton. I'm gonna show you guys in this video how a high taper, just make everything natural, make everything kind of stand out. I'm gonna let you guys watch, just sit back.
YouTube, how's it going? So to get started in this high taper, I proceed to go with the number 1, closed. And I'm going downwards with the grain. And why I'm doing this is because I'm wanting the hair to lay down. And I'm wanting to keep some darkness still. And as I'm doing this, I'm making sure I'm going over and over again with it till everything lays down flat. But throughout the video, you guys are going to see me go over it with the number 1 guard because I couldn't get to all of them. So here I start off with the trimmer. I proceed to do the line from the very end of the lineup to the ear, and then I go in with my half guard. And why I'm doing this is because I'm not trying to create a harsh line when I'm taking out the bald guy line. So I'm going in with my half so everything can blend in easily. And I appreciate you guys showing me the support lately on my couple of videos. And see, I'm going back in with my number 1 guard and making sure everything's laying down. And now I'm going in with my 1 all the way open, and then I close it, and I'm still trying to attack that line to make sure it goes away. And on this side, you guys will see a better view. So I'm going in again with my number 1 guard, making sure everything is laying down. And when I'm doing this, I'm trying to go over and over again and brushing down as well, because I'm wanting to lay everything down and blend it nicely. So here I'm proceeding to do my first bald guy line, making sure everything is nicely for the setup of the taper. And as you guys can see, I'm flicking up at the line so it's easier for me to erase. And with this client, I don't use my box shaver because I don't want him to bump up. So make sure to ask your guys' clients how sensitive their skin is. And here I go with my next step. Lever all the way open, and just opening and closing as I'm going to make sure to erase the line. And here I go again with my 1 all the way down, open it up. I'm going all the way up to the end of the braid. And as I'm doing that, I'm opening and closing my lever and hitting that line. Same thing with the half guard. I'm hitting that line to soften it up. As I'm doing that, I'm closing it up little by little. And as you guys can see, I'm almost closed, a little bit more, and I'm hitting it with my corners to try to erase it. And make sure to brush down so every hair gets cut evenly. And here now you guys can just see me detailing to make sure to erase that line. And now I'm setting up for my lineup. And on my lineup here, I'm going in with the 1, but I'm kind of scooping out at the end because he has light areas. And I'm gonna ghost it. And then I remember him saying that he wanted enhancements at the very end. So I added some enhancements, and the lineup, you guys will see the before and the after. So I decided to do the verticals first, just so the lineup is aligned together. Here you see me hitting the other side, making sure it's even, because I don't want to push them up. I want to keep them baby hairs to try to make it look as full as possible as I can. And then my lineups, when I start, I always proceed to go from the middle, and then I go from my left and then my right. So here I go. Obviously you guys see those light spots, they still look pretty full. Here I use enhancements. Like I said, I use a little bit, And the color I use is black and brown. And then here you guys see the lineup looks nice and full. I finish off the haircut. I don't really have too much recording after this. This is all I had. Then I noticed my memory card was full, so I stopped recording. But if you guys tuned in this whole video, appreciate you guys. I'm bringing you guys another video here soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you guys want to see. I have a lot more scissor work videos I want to work on and give it to y'all. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Remember, it's your boy JSmooth. Keep a good mood and stay smooth, and I'm out. Peace.